In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize text background color. We'll walk through this using a typical note-taking or document editor interface, like the one you might see in a modern productivity app. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make specific parts of your text stand out with a colored background, which is perfect for highlighting key ideas, to-dos, or important reminders. First, start by highlighting the text you want to change. Click and drag your mouse over the words, or if you're on a trackpad, press and hold, then slide over the text until it's fully selected. You'll know it's selected when the text is covered with a temporary highlight, usually in blue or grey. Take a moment to make sure you've included all the words you want, and only those words, because the background color will apply specifically to what you've selected. Once your text is highlighted, look for the three dots in the toolbar. These three dots are usually located at the top of your editor window, often on the right side of the formatting bar. They're commonly called the More Options or More Actions menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots. This opens up an extended menu that shows additional formatting tools that aren't always visible by default. In the menu that appears, search for the option labeled Colors. It may show up with a small colored icon, a letter with a color bar beneath it, or simply the word Colors. Click on this Colors option. This is where all your text and background color choices are grouped together. So think of it as your main color control panel. After you click on Colors, you'll see a selection of color choices. Typically, you'll have one section for text color and another section for background color. Make sure you're choosing from the background color area, not the text color area, so that only the area behind your text changes while the text itself stays readable. Now, select the background color you want. You might choose a subtle light yellow for a classic highlighter look, a soft blue for calm emphasis, or a brighter color to draw strong attention. As soon as you click a color, the change should apply immediately to the text you highlighted earlier. If it doesn't look quite right, simply open the colors menu again and pick a different shade until you're happy with how it looks. When you're done, click anywhere outside the text to deselect it, and your customized background color is set.